welcome back to my videos, guys. And today I'm making a video on polymorphism in Java. So the first question that comes to your mind is, what does polymorphism mean? Well, polymorphism means many forms. It is used when we have parent and child classes. To make it simple, let me give you a real life example. So a man at the same time can be a father, a husband, or an employee. So the same man has different roles or behaviors in different situations. So this is what polymorphism basically is. So let's just open up IntelliJ, and so first let's create our parent class. Also, if you guys want to learn about parent-child relationship, which is inheritance, you can refer to my previous video. So let's create our parent class. Let's call it fruit. Okay, so let's create it. And let me make the font bigger. And so inside this, let's just create a method. So let's just create a method. Let's do public void. Let's call it taste. And then so inside it, let's just do like a line that prints out. Let's say the fruits taste. And so now let's create another class. Let's turn it into our child class. So let's call it apple. Let's call it apple. Wait, apple. Okay, let's create this. And so let's create the same method in our child class, but wait. Okay, so let's turn this into our child class so by writing extends and then parent class name, which is fruit. And so let's create the same method in our child class, but with different behaviors. So to make it easier, let's copy this and let's put it in here. But as for this, let's do for like the apple, it tastes like juicy and crispy. Let's do it. And guys, you know what? Let's create another child class. Let's call it banana. So let's call it banana. And so of course let's make the font bigger, and let's also make a child class. So extends fruit. And let's also create the same method inside it with different behavior. So for this, it would be like sweet and soft. So guys, what we have right now is we have one parent class, we have two child classes of the same parent, and we have the same method in each of these three classes. So let's create an object to call a method. So let's go to our apple class. Let's create our main method. So main method, and let's create the object. So for that, we will first have to write our parent class name. So let's do fruit. Then let's write our object name, obj equals new. And then, so guys, we have the same method in three different classes. But what if I only want to call the method that is inside apple class? So to do that, I would write the apple class name here. So I would just write apple because that's my class name. So apple. Let's end it with a semicolon here. So what I just did here is called upcasting, where I create an object of the child class by using the parent class reference. So guys, now let's say I want to only call the method of banana class, the method that is inside banana class. Well, I would basically kind of do the same thing. So let's copy this. Let's paste it under it. But so now if I would want to call the banana class method, I would create an object of the banana class. So instead of apple, it would be banana here. Wait, banana. And let's also change the object name to object1. Okay, guys, so now let's run our code. So let's call it first. So for this one, let's do obj.taste, and obj1.taste. So here we have two same methods right here. We are writing the same method, but we have different objects. So that means that the first method is of apple class, and the second method is of banana class. So now let's run it. And so of course, for the apple class, it prints out juicy and crispy, and for the banana stuff, it prints out sweet and soft. So guys, did you guys notice that here I'm calling the same method, but it showed different results because these two methods are of different classes. One is for apple class and the other one is for banana class. So the same method is acting differently based on the way it is called. So guys, polymorphism is where we call class methods, but we create an object of that class by using the parent class reference. So guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. So with this video, I will be wrapping up my Java videos tutorial. And so this has been a good year. 2020 has been a unique year actually with the COVID-19, and so hopefully guys enjoyed all these tutorials. Thank you for all the support for the past 4.5 months so I'm thinking of wrapping up my Java tutorials. I will take a little break for like winter, and I'll probably if you guys want me to, then leave a like and just tell me in the comments if you guys think I should make some SQL tutorials or SQL tutorials. So guys, I'm planning to make SQL tutorials. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. Hope to see you soon. Hopefully you guys had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and bye guys!